Ready to unleash the power of data visualization on your Linux machine? Let's dive into how to get Tableau up and running. First, head over to the Tableau website and navigate to the download section. Make sure you select the Linux version of Tableau Desktop. You'll likely need to create an account or log in to access the download. Once the download is complete, open your Linux terminal, use the dpkg command followed by and then the name of the downloaded deb package to install Tableau. Remember to use sudo p for the command if you don't have root privileges. For other distributions like Red Hat or Fedora, use the appropriate package manager like yum or dnf. After the installation finishes, you should find Tableau Desktop in your Applications menu. Launch it the first time you run it. You'll be prompted to activate your license if you have a product key. Enter it here. If not, you can start a free trial. Now that Tableau is installed and activated, it's time to connect to your data. Tableau supports a wide range of data sources, from spreadsheets to databases. Select your data source and follow the prompts to establish a connection. Drag and drop your chosen fields into the Tableau workspace to start building your visualizations. Running into snags. A common issue is missing dependencies. Check the Tableau documentation for a list of required libraries and use your distributions package manager to install them. The Tableau support website is also a fantastic resource for troubleshooting.